Assalamu-Alikum and welcome. So our today topic is about probability of an event. So the probability of an event A which belongs to a sample space is defined as P of A, or we can say probability of A is equals to number of sample point in A divided by number of sample point in S, or we can write in this way as well: n of A, we can say number of A sample point and divided by number of sample point in S. So एग्जाम्पल की बात कर लेते हैं. Let's take an example where a card is drawn from an ordinary deck of 52 playing cards. So find the probability that number one is the card is a black card, the second one is the card is a diamond, the third one is the card is a nine, the fourth one is the card is a king, the fifth one is picture card, and the sixth one is ace card. So we solve them one by one. So the total number of possible, or we can say the solution for this is the total number of possible outcome is 52. So we assume that all the possible outcome are equally likely. So the first one is the card is a black card. So there are 26 total black cards in the 52 sample cards. So we can write the probability of the one is let A represent the event that the card is drawn as a black card. So the number of black card is 26. We can say here number of sample card is 52. So number of S card is 52 and number of A card is we can say number of A card are 26. So the probability of an event, hence probability of A equals to n A whole divided by n of number of sample space. So there are 26, which is number of A card, or we can say the black cards, and divided by 52. So the final answer is 1 by 2. The second one is the card is a diamond card. So the second one, or we can say the B be the event that a card is drawn as a diamond. So the number of diamond cards are 13. So the number of outcome of the variable to the event B are 13. So here in the second part, number of sample is 52, as we already know that, but number of B card, or we can say number of diamond card is 13. Hence, probability of B, or the probability of the diamond card, is n by n into B number of diamond card whole divided by number of sample space, number of S. So the answer is 13 by 52, which is equals to 1 by 4. Let's talk about the third part, which is the card is a 9 card. This one, इसको हम नाम देते हैं C का. So let C denote the event that the card drawn as a 9. There are 4 cards of 9 in the total 52 cards. So the number of outcome favorable to the event C are 4. So here number of S card is 52 and number of C card or we can say number of the number 9 cards, which is 4 in the total 52 cards. So there are 4 cards, hence the probability P of C, probability of C card is number of C card divided by number of S card. It is 4 by 52. Or the final answer is 1 by 13. The next is fourth one, which is the card is a king card. So for this we have the part D. So let D represent the event that the card is drawn as a king. So there are four cards of king. The number of outcome favorable to event D are 4. Here number of S, or we can say sample space, or the total number of card is 52. So number of D card, which is number of king cards, is 4. Hence probability of D card, or we can say probability of the king card, is number of D divided by number of S. So the answer is 4 by 52. And the final answer is 1 by 13. The last or not the least is picture card and ace card. So for picture card we will present it with the help of E. So E represents the event that the card is drawn as a picture card. So there are 12. We are talking about V part. So there are 12 picture cards. The number of outcome favorable to event E are 12. Here number of sample space is 52. N of S, which is 52, and number of E, which is 12 cards, or we can say number of picture card are 12. So probability of E or probability of the picture card equals to number of E card divided by number of S card, which is equals to 12 by 52. And the sixth part of this example is S card. So we will present it with the help of F. So F represents the event that the card is drawn as ace. So there are 4 cards of ace. So the number of outcome favorable to the event F are 4. So we can easily solve it. Here number of S is 52 and number of F is 4. Hence, probability of F is number of F divided by number of S. This is basically the formula that how to find the probability of an event. So n of F divided by n of S, or we can say favorable divided by total. Favorable outcome divided by total outcome. So n of F is 4 or S card are 4 and the total number of cards are 52. So the final answer for this part is 1 by 13. This is about today's lecture.